Hello friends, welcome in Pharmaceutical Chemistry 2. Today we deals with Tranquilizer Part 2. Myself Mrs. Urmila Ravindra Gaudi, MPharm in Quality Assurance. Learning Outcome. Student will able to know to name a tranquilizer drug according to IUPAC system, to recognize the tranquilizer drug on the basis of structure, physical property, and to recognize the tranquilizer drug on the basis of uses, storage and stability conditions, official preparations and their brand names. Now we deals with benzodiazepine derivatives. Benzodiazepine derivative, it is a 1,4-benzodiazepine 2-on derivative. This compound is found to possess anti-anxiety, sedative and muscle relaxant property. The diazepam was introduced shortly after the introduction of chlorodiazepoxide. These derivatives have also anticonvulsant, skeletal muscle relaxant and antipsychotic activity. Carbamate and dicarbamate. The carbamate, for example urethane, possesses hypnotic activity. However, the dicarbamate via mipромamate act as skeletal muscle relaxant in addition to having sedative hypnotic property and used to treat anxiety and tension. First drug, chlorodiazepoxide. Physical property, it is official as hydrochloride salt, which is white crystalline powder. It has slight odor and a very bitter taste. It is soluble in water. Chemical property, when it is hydrolyzed, it is converted to demoxepam with the removal of methyl amino group. On further degradation, it is converted to 2-amino-5-chlorobenzoquinone, in which 4,5-azomethane link is ruptured. Stability and storage, it is affected by air, moisture and sunlight, hence it is stored in tightly closed light resistant container. Uses, it is used to treat symptoms of anxiety, psychosomatic disorders, insomnia associated with anxiety, muscle spasm due to muscle relaxant property. It is used to get symptomatic relief during acute alcohol withdrawal. It is also used as pre-medication in anesthesia. Pharmaceutical formulation, chlorodiazepoxide tablet, chlorodiazepoxide hydrochloride injection, brand name Tropium and Librium. Next drug, diazepam. It is a benzodiazepine derivative. This is the structure of diazepam, 1,4-diazepine. Chemical name 7-chloro, 1,3-dihydro, 1-methyl, 5-phenyl, 2H, 1,4-benzodiazepine 2,1. Chemical name 7-chloro, 1,3-dichloro, dihydro, 1-methyl, 5-phenyl, 2H, 1,4-benzodiazepine 2,1. Diazepine. This is the structure of diazepine, that is 1,4-diazepine. It is a 7-membered ring containing 2 nitrogen atoms at 1 and 4 position. It is 7-membered ring containing 2 nitrogen atoms at 1 and 4 position and 3 double bonds. Position 1 is saturated, hence it is called 1H, that is 1,4-diazepine. Since benzene ring is fused at 6 and 7 position, it is called 1H, 1,4-benzodiazepine. This is 1H, 1,4-benzodiazepine and this is 3H, 1,4-benzodiazepine. When the bond between 2 and 3 carbon atom is saturated, then it is called 1,3-dihydro 2H, 1,4-benzodiazepine. Peripheral group and linkage. An electron withdrawing chloro group is present at C7 position. Methyl group is present at 1 position. phenyl radical at C5 position which increases lipophilic characters. Physical property: it occurs as white or pale yellow crystalline powder. It is odorless and almost odorless and tasteless at first, followed by bitter taste. It is sparingly soluble in water and soluble in alcohol. Stability and storage: it is degraded by moisture and light, hence it is stored in tightly closed light resistant container. Uses: it is used for management control of anxiety and tension state, for management of acute alcoholic withdrawal, and as an adjuvant for relief of skeletal muscle spasm. Parenterally, it is used to treat epilepsy, to produce sedation, to treat excitation state, and as a pre-medication for surgical procedures. Pharmaceutical formulation: it is available in diazepam tablet, diazepam injection, diazepam capsule, diazepam elixir. Brand names: Calmpose and Sedenite. Next drug is lorazepam. It is differ from diazepam in having hydroxy group at C3 position and orthochloro group in C5 phenyl radical. Physical property: it is white to off-white powder and is odorless or almost odorless. It is practically insoluble in water and slightly soluble in alcohol. Storage: it is stored in tightly closed container. Uses: it is used to treat anxiety state, insomnia associated with anxiety, epileptic seizure, that is intravenously for rapid effect. Second use: it is used for pre-medication before dental or general surgery, for investigative procedures when there may be discomfort. Pharmaceutical formulation: it is available in diazepam tablet, diazepam injection, and brand names are Ativan, Lorapam, and Alzapam. Next drug from carbamate and dicarbamates. Example is meprobamate. Physical property: it is white crystalline powder, it is odorless and has bitter characteristic odor. It is slightly soluble in water but freely soluble in alcohol. Chemical property: when it is treated with dimethylamino-benzaldehyde solution in sulfuric acid, a yellow color is produced, which change to orange on standing. Stability and storage: store in well-closed container. Uses: it is used to treat psychoneurotic anxiety and tension state, musculoskeletal disorders, muscle spasm due to its skeletal muscle relaxant property, and petit-mal type of epilepsy. And it is also used as an adjuvant to treat tetanus. Pharmaceutical formulation: it is available in meprobamate tablet, meprobamate capsule, meprobamate injection, meprobamate oral suspension. Brand names: Equanil, Cadiprom, and PMT. Thank you so much for watching this video.